Different cities, different skies, it's only right I see. Eyes closed, mind blown, different home. Every night with me. She a sight to see. Cartier glasses on tight, she kinda bright and sweet. Nightlight and close your eyes with me. Yeah, shit get deep, like feces and creep. Passport heavy, yeah, the vision stay clean. I move how I feel, not just when the light is green. I ain't lost, I actually made it on time.
As you can see, man, it's lit. Popular attraction for tourists. Crowded, beyond crowded. What? They can do this? Ever in right here?
Check it out. It's getting ready to happen. It's about to be my very dangerous friend. And one of my brothers are doing it. I don't know which one of them is. He said he's going to be the one that he's not that good for you guys' safety. Hands by your side. Head straight. Whatever you do, don't move. If you move, chubby rubby slash little leprechaun, you will be the first to meet T-Bag in Las Vegas tonight. That's right. Welcome to Las Vegas. Nobody moves? Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to see more, say yeah! Everybody say,